Well, welcome to the riverfront here on the River Mersey facing Liverpool. We put a plea out on Facebook for people to recommend places in Europe to go to at Christmas, and we have chosen Prague. It's the worst poured Guinness in the whole of the Czech Republic. 3 minutes. But I'll drink it though. Yeah. Yeah, best poured water.
Is that vodka?
Yeah. That's Japanese whiskey. Do you know what? We just arrived here in the Czech Republic, haven't we, Kel?
Yeah.
It's our Christmas break. We're doing it after Christmas. And we met this lovely lady. We're going to go round to a restaurant on tomorrow. And this is what travelling's all about. Well, fabulous. I don't know how we're not hungover, Kel, because last night we met this lovely couple in the pub. And we're going to go and visit their restaurant tonight. Yeah. They're the best ways to go about it. But we're here in Prague over Christmas. Unfortunately, we couldn't get away before Christmas and the run-up, and so we're doing it in the Christmas week. So let's check out what Prague has to offer.
We're away for New Year for the first time.
That's true, out of the country for the first time on New Year, so we're excited about that. And we're excited about showing what Prague has to offer. We're going to try and find Charles Bridge. We're absolutely starving. We haven't had anything to eat. So what's the plans then, Cal?
Try and find Charles Bridge.
Christmas markets?
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Okay, we jumped the tram. Yeah. We've just jumped on any old tram. We don't know where we're going. Just coming out the cold and ordered an English breakfast. We're in England, do they serve that? Cal's gone for bacon.
No, I haven't. I've got poached eggs.
It's like you've got sausage without the English breakfast. Making your own scrambled egg there, Cal.
I know, the eggs are a bit
too runny for you. Make that then, Cal.
bloody weird. Like a big baby. With big head.
Crawling on mud, naked.
I don't get it.
Well,
Obviously have to find out.
oh, bloody hell. So anyway, let's just come down off the river, through the park. Statue of Joseph Dabrowski, whoever he was. And I think we might be hitting the Christmas markets down here.
175, please. Thank you.
Cal's getting a meat fix. We turn round. We're at the Charles Bridge, just at the bottom. The obligatory puppet shop. What one's that? Oh, look at Pinocchio. So we're on the west side of Charles Bridge. Kelly looking for a weed shop. See loads of them about. But I just love the architecture. Of course, what you don't get from these films is the smell of gingerbread and sweet wine and all the good things. Anyway, we're heading up towards the castle, I think. One quick pit stop for a beer, Cal. And probably the close part of 200 steps. We love it. Right, we're going to check out the palace. Who is snaking through to go into the palace. We're not one for queuing. are we?
No.
And I think we'll pass that, but it's magnificent to see it from here. Quite remarkable. There's Prague in front of us. Well, despite not going inside the palace, that was a great experience. We're walking down now to see the bridge. It's busy, but it's busy. There's Kelly. Absolutely ludicrous. Well, we've crossed the bridge and it's been delightful, but with the crowds as well. These guys are getting into the atmosphere. We really like things like this here. One of the lanes just takes a little U-bend. Nice place to eat. Well, we just walked down from Charles Bridge and we are really enjoying it, aren't we, Kel? Even though it's incredibly busy.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Crazy busy. Do we have a look in the Black
that,
Star
Kel?
then, Kel? Yeah, it's mains, isn't it? Yeah, we just wanted like a soup or something as we're eating out tonight. Looks lovely though. We've just walked down and fancy a bit of goulash. So the Bohemia restaurant looks good. Oh, it's nice to sit down next to all the warmth. So let's see what we can get. So I've gone for a Razna, which is a mix of dark and light beer, and it's bloody gorgeous. Here we got 2 goulashes. Lovely. Fantastic. You can see the flavour in that bowl. Absolutely delicious bit of goulash soup. Really enjoyed it. So what did it come to, Kel?
Right, you've got a 10% service charge on that, and a 10% and 21% tax, and 10% DPH. I don't know.
Well, all in all, it was 30.
26.
Uh,
All the taxes. We'll take the bill so we can work it out.
no, so what it comes to 36 euros. So that was very expensive, really, for what it was. Very. You're watching Kelly and Terry Travels. We're in Prague. So we're just going to have a little look around the markets here and see what it's like after Christmas Day. And here's his stockpile of wood, just down here behind him. Brilliant. There you go.
Well, this is the famous clock. It's weird, it's strange. It's got a skeleton one side, little people.
Yeah, I didn't notice that it had a skeleton actually. I wonder if I can zoom in on that. If you can actually see that there,
It's a
go
beautiful
up.
square, absolutely.
There's a
stunning.
skeleton.
We'll take a good picture so you can see it.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful.
But look at the crowds here. Absolutely unbelievable. It's like a football match. We wait for 3 o'clock. A hush ascends the crowd. Look at the statuettes moving at the top. Hush ascends the crowd. Look at the statuettes moving at the top. Well, we moved on from the clock. Just fabulous, isn't it, Kelly?
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's one of the nicest city centres we've been to. And what I can't get over is the smells is just amazing. And the heat. So we just walked down from the clock through the market. Very, very busy. And we thought it'd be a bit quieter, but you can pick up your horse and cart rides here, just at the left of the clock, or the right of the clock rather.
Moving differently because they've got big thick bits at the back. Very pretty. So last night we met 3 people in a local bar. We just got here. One of them actually is running this. She's trying to make a really good go of it, so she's invited us here this evening, and let's just see what it's like. This is the name of the restaurant.
U Kroka, and it's typical Czech cuisine. 84 out of 7,000, so it's a good place.
So, say hi. I get a quick glimpse of the owner. There you go. She'll talk to us later.
So we've got the menu, a very simple menu. Nice soup, smoked garlic soup,
Beef tartare.
beef tartare, my favourite, and traditional Czech dishes.
Beef tartare. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Oh,
So this is Czech line. So starter wise, Kelly's going for the tartare,
And Terry's messing up the table.
and I'm going for the Prague ham.
I might go for the fried wire ball.
Actually, I might go for the soup. I'll be 2 soups today. But what a lovely little place. Well, my garlic soup's come. I expected it to be white for some reason. Kelly's tartare, beef tartare's come, which I love. And Kelly, I've never known her to order anything tartare before.
I've always stole some of yours, so I thought I'd eat my own.
So we're going to tuck into this, and they also say they bake their own bread as well, so brilliant. Kelly's got a bit of garlic to rub on as well, that's a good touch.
I don't know whether I'm
So I went for the pork knee with the potato gnocchi and the ginger and apple sauce or whatever it is. Kelly's gone for the duck breast. Happy with yours, Kel?
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
Did you like the how did you cope with the tartare? Because it wasn't like a piece, it was
it's
chopped
amazing.
in, wasn't it? Like a pate.
I'll eat that.
That's all mine. Well, we just finished, haven't we, Kel? I've just had my last mouthful. I don't like the fat on the top.
I would have, and so would have many people that I know. That I wish I'd ordered. My duck was phenomenal.
Well, I've got to say, it was the best bit of pork I've ever had. It was wonderful, literally wonderful. Very rich, but just what I wanted. I feel like I've had a proper dinner.
Yeah, we've had a meal, and
I feel like a proper dinner.
Lovely, gorgeous meal. The atmosphere is nice.
Yeah, it's wonderful. As Kelly picks and prods.
Absolutely stunning.
And to finish off, we got a second shot of, is it walnut?
Well, we'll ask her, but it's a very nice indigestion, sort of.
No, it's good for digesting your food. Anyway, here you are. Das Vidania. Proposal on Charles Bridge on New Year's Eve. Don't get more romantic than that.
cesta loučí.